Report. Fresh feet from him, and the referee is going to say penalty this time. Jamal Jack has conceded the penalty. Referee buried in, no doubt. Renaldo Cephas was in full flight. He's caused some early issues cutting in from that wide position.
So, Renaldo Cephas has been linked with quite a few clubs in recent time, but it's official, technically it's official, that he's going to the Russian division, top division at that. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button before we well, enough of it. You can hit at the end of the video. But big up on yourself, people. Alright, so we're gonna speak about Renaldo Cephas. So we know everything already. At Ankara go through things, relationship between him and the club never necessarily went well in the last couple probably months or so, but he stuck it out and probably can't say acting a professional manner, and so as it stands, he's going to move to the Russian division. Now, as I said earlier, he was linked to a move to a different club in the Turkish division. Unfortunately, that didn't fall through. So it's Russia, it is. Let's continue. Renaldo Cephas set to join FC Paris NN on a 3-year contract. He left Ankara Gucu, who is prepared to sign a 3-year contract with Russian Premier League side FC Paris NN. According to Russian media reports, the parties have reached an agreement in principle, and the official signing is imminent. The 25-year-old winger is reportedly set to join the Russian club on a free transfer after his contract with Ankara Gucu expires. If Ankara Gucu was smart, they would have sold Renaldo Cephas last year when a big price value was on his head. But because of the relationship, I don't know if you remember one time I did a video and it quote-unquote said Renaldo Cephas missing. Yeah, something like that. That's what the relationship was about. Club, agent, fallout. Club wanted to price the player out of the move because a big club came in with a big offer, but apparently the club wanted to price out Renaldo Cephas out of a move. Technically, in some sense, kind of try like a spite him. Contract expires now, and now still get the opportunity to make a big move to one of the top leagues in world football. All right, let's continue. After his contract with FC Paris NN, it was reported looking to sign Renaldo Cephas as a part of its strategy to strengthen its squad and by focusing on free agents. Cephas, who played 28 matches for Ankara Gucu in the TFF First League last season, attracted attention with his 8 goals and 5 assists. That's 13 goal contribution in 28 matches, actually very good. He had previously enjoyed a successful season with North Macedonia side FK Shkupi, putting him on the radar of European clubs. According to Russian sources, the player is expected to travel to Russia to soon undergo a medical and then sign an official contract. If Cephas signs with FC Paris, he will be playing in the Russian Premier League for the first time in his career. But information is already out that the information is already out in regards to him traveling to Russia. I do believe by now medical could be completed by now, and technically the transfer is basically imminent, saying that in short order, very short order, you will see that transfer being announced. And it's a good look. It's definitely a good look, and let's see how this one materializes. Anyways, for me personally, I do think it's a very well, not really much I go on in Russia now. Probably maybe them still I say the war, quote unquote the war thing supposed to be go on. But as I said, this is a good move for him. A top club, well, a top division, and this is something that he wanted to do for a long while. Even though last year when he fall out with the club, bigger clubs came into the forefront. That didn't work out. So as a son, this has gotten. He just completed the Gold Cup. Not the best campaign for the team. It's for the overall Reggae Boyz team. Not the best campaign for him as well. Mostly coming off the bench. But prior to that, he has been having very good performances so far through the entirety of the year for club and also country. Now, it's important that maybe this is something going at the top division probably can assist him in his footballing development. As I see, he's just 25 years old. Still have a lot of room for improvement, room for growth. But I do believe that once he works on his final, should I say, the final moments in the game, in decision making, he should definitely be a top player on our hands. Should be. Just need to work on his decision making. I know a lot of persons why they're frustrated with it, but that's how football is sometimes. But once him get that aspect, hopefully he can book up on a coach in that division who can fix that part of his football game. And if that part is fixed, I'm sure he can turn out to be a very, very dangerous winger. One of those wingers, because he already have the raw characteristics, raw skill set to perform at a particular level. But just now to get the headspace right, I think we're in good position. Anyways, so as it stands, Renaldo Cephas to FC Paris, NN, the NN stand for me right along here, so. Nizini, Novgorod. So it's FC Paris, Nizhny Novgorod. Yeah, Russia. Novgorod, yeah, yes, Russia. So that's actually the official name of the club. They are also playing in, think they're playing, let me see, I should believe, no, I should believe, are they playing in Europa League? Are they playing in Europa League? Let me check. No, they aren't. They're not playing another European competition. No, they aren't. So, well, at least this is a platform for him to fine-tune his art, and in due time, maybe, just maybe based off his performance, can make the next step. Do well in the Liga, goals and assists, and guarantee that next move, that next big move will be on his doorstep right away. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Is this the right move? Do you believe this is the right move for Renaldo Cephas? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, or out. God bless. Boom. Outside.